my friends, in less than 10 seconds, we have the new weekly candle coming up right now. The new 12-hour candle, new weekly candle. It's a new week. My friends, it is your friend CryptoFace, and this is an emergency broadcast. This week is going to be a very sweet week of trading gains, and it should be that way for everybody. The copy groups have been absolutely murdering it. We've been murdering it. It's good to be back. Everyone's happy. Everyone's happy. There's no reason why anyone should be failing, losing, or making any type of mistakes. First, let's talk about the charts, though. Let's talk about the charts. I wanted to start this recording because we have the new weekly, daily, 12-hour, 6-hour, all the important candles just closed, and it's time for a new one. The 12-hour was what we have been banging. This 12-hour candle right here, we banged today. There was 10 hours left on the candle. We went long. It paid off. Now that this candle closed, okay, we see the gates are open. RSIs are looking good. And we'll give this candle right here, it just started, give it like 30 minutes to an hour to form. It's Sunday, going into Monday. There's a lot of time before we go into the Monday morning markets. If you didn't get in before this move, then don't be frolicking around. What we do here is we get in before the move happens. We like getting in before the move happens, and we will ride trends too. I will long tops, I'll short bottoms into them trends. You darn right. You darn right. But for moves like these, you want to get in. You should have been in before. If it happens without you, it's all right. There's no rush. There's no rush. There's no rush. The market's going to continue to be here. We got 6 months left in the year. This is the bull run year. It's not over. It's not over. But we only got 5 months left. More than ever, your position size is so important. Don't full port your account. Don't full port your account. Don't worry about, I should have full ported, I missed out, whatever. Because eventually you're going to mess it up. Really, whether it's 1%, 2%, 5%, of your trading money that you have, that's what you should be doing in each trade. 1, 2, 5%. And I'm saying 5% because that's being real, with people that have $1,000 to their name trying to make a buck. Anyways, taking a look. Let's take a look here with Bitcoin on the daily. Let's just go front to back. My God. Oh, yes. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. If you were in the Discord, boy, I tell you, this thing is popping off. Here we go. Okay, look at these RSIs. The RSIs are green, tight, and coming up. We have been inside this pattern range. Money flow came down. And what happens in a bull run or bull market? We spend a lot of time in the green, a little time in the red. We spend our little time in the red. The RSIs are bullish as heck, chugging along, and with very high probability, this money flow is going to continue into another mountain, another wave. And these green RSIs are the key to letting us know that is the confirmation. These RSIs are the confirmation that that is going to happen. And we have everything else to boot. We are going up ladies and gentlemen. We're going up to new all-time highs. Whether we see him this week or we revisit whatever, maybe we bounce around. This year, it's no where it's gonna go, nobody knows. A 200,000, 150,000, a 400,000, a 20,000. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. Would be a good time to have an crypto low leverage position that you set, forget, and lock the keys away. It just so happens that this summer, there's great times to trade. There's bad times to trade. Just like any other time. There's good times and bad. And right now, in this little window, it's a good time. It's a good time. We're having a good time. At least we are. I don't know about these other communities. The CryptoFace, the Market Cipher community. We are having an amazing time. Oh, CryptoFace. Well, what CryptoFace? Oh, these are my trades for the past that I'm doing with all the pressure, everything on me. This is the past 3 months with 3 different groups. We're cooking. We're cooking. I'm so excited. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. We are Sunday going into Monday. Now, that being said, things don't just go one direction. It doesn't just go up and that's it, okay? There is volatility. It is going to be volatile. Let's take a look at Ethereum here. Ethereum looking the same. In fact, let me pull up what I signaled to the Discord. Let me pull it up here. Let's see here. Okay, boom. So this was the Bitcoin, boom, okay. All right, whatever, I already showed you guys that. Ethereum on the 12-hour, same thing, looking amazing. The target for Ethereum coming up next, baby. 2,900 coming up next. Yep. Remember last time we had 2,900 coming up next? Yep, we got it, or at least to this spider line. And this is perfect. We were in the range. Ooh, it came down. And what happens with just like the whitewater rafting rapids, when if you're in a raft going down whitewater rapids or in a boat and someone falls overboard, how do you bring someone back in the raft? You don't just grab them, try to pull them up unless you're strong enough. What if someone bigger and fatter than you, almost twice your size, falls overboard in your little raft, okay? You don't just try to grab Big Bertha and pull her up. You're not going to be able to pull her up. She's too fat. What do? Bitcoin's been too fat. Ethereum been too fat for everyone. You push. You say, I'm going to push you down. 3, 2, 1. You push them down into the water. You push Big Bertha down to the water in their life jacket, and you tell them, take a deep breath. Pump in, take a deep breath. Get all that air inside so you become a balloon. You put a balloon. You put a balloon, become a balloon. You push them down, and then you bounce back up. Bitcoin, Ethereum been pushed down. Boom, we are going to bounce back up into 2,900 and probably infinity and beyond. To infinity and beyond. And guess what? If not, that's okay. We'll take 29. Listen, we'll take to 2,900 to 2,500 to 2,900 to 27, whatever. But we got 10, 15% popping off right now. Coming up here, ready to serve. It is my pleasure to serve you. It's my pleasure to serve you. I believe 40% off is still working for Market Cipher. For, I think it's what, Freedom 40. I'll make sure that it is still working. Now is a better time than ever. Listen, if you made mistakes and you lost your money and you're starting with a small amount again, you know, there's something about trading where, like, your worst times where you have the least amount of money is your best trading times. If that's what's going on with you right now, your solution is to use Breakout Prop, a prop firm. Specifically, Breakout Prop is the only one that's got my stamp of approval, that has our stamp of approval. You put, if you got a $500 to your name, you pay $500, you pass the test, you get 100x that amount, 100x $500 to trade with. I'd be using the prop firm. If you're lucky and you know how to get into our copy trade, I don't know, running out of room. There's only a few slots left. I don't know. I was going to make a new group. I don't think so. I was going to make new groups. I don't think so. It's just going too good. You know, keep things simple. We could go over so much more. I know we're all over the place. We're all over the place right now. But we've already been shown everything we need to. We've been shown everything we need to. Now we just have to wait for the future to come. That's it. There's no use frolicking around. When you see the future and see it clearly, you still have to wait. And that's what we're doing. We're waiting. The nighttime, the Chinese time, has been a little floppy. Maybe tonight, Sunday and the Monday night is the one time out of 30 nights in the month where the Chinese maybe pump it up a little bit. But that hour before market open, yeah, we're going to be sniffing. And listen, if not, wait for market open. We have all week long. We have all week long. Ethereum pumps, dumps. Bitcoin moves, but it moves slow. You know, maybe Pepe or Solano or your plays. Yeah, Solano looking good on the 12-hour. Solano on the 12-hour. Let's look at standard candles. Tight, super tight trigger wave right there. Look at that. Look at Solano. Tight money flow coming up, RSIs. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Let this tonight play out. Boom. Solano, 170 coming up. 170. Solano coming up on the 12-hour. It's my pleasure to serve you. This is CryptoFace, your friend, and it's my pleasure to serve you. I cannot stress enough, position sizing is everything. You don't need to full port. Do not full port. And don't regret that, I could have made more, because the market is going to be here every single day. It's not going anywhere. And there is no rush. There's no rush. If you want this to really be what you do in your life, how much longer do you have to live? 50 years? 60 years? 70 years? 10 years? Then your trading must avoid catastrophe for that long. Okay? Be the turtle. I found a great video that I want to share with you. And I want you guys, I want you guys to watch this video. Let me find it for you. It's a turtle strategy. Let's see here. Here it is. This one, trading psychology stick. This explains it the best. The turtle strategy. And these the disciples are trading crypto as of today. There's three generations down from the original turtle creator. Guy takes 20 people, cab drivers, says we're gonna go long on daily candle. When there's 20 green candles, we go long. When there's 10 reds, we go short or close. He's only right like 30% of the time, but he rides them trends, sticks to it, sticks to the system, the 1-2%, and it works. They're all billionaires, millionaires, hedge fund managers. Now, things have changed a little bit, but not so much. You have market Cipher. We have patterns. We have amazing strategies. Pick your 3 or 4 strategies, okay? When basic strategy, for example, with market Cipher, when you see on the 12-hour that money flow's coming up, RSIs are green coming up, momentum's coming up. When you see it on the 12-hour, then you find the 30-minute or a 15-minute entry of the same thing. Your big time frame, small time frame, big time frame backing you up. Boom, hammer it. But keep your position size correct. Keep it correct. Add to winners. But don't go crazy. Do not full port. We are going to blast into new all-time highs. See you there. See you at the top.